This is Asha. I'm Sue. My partner John is the builder of this really amazing camper van. Funny enough, John only put this on yesterday. As I said, we haven't got a table, so it's like a work in progress. It's brilliant, just a little table there. First edition, because I used to sit here and there was nowhere to put my glass of vino. So he put that on for me yesterday. He's brill. What I'm sitting on here is the throne, we call it, which is, hidden underneath it, is the toilet. So it's dual purpose, it's brilliant. Water is stored in 25 gallons, I think they are in there. And it's pumped through to this feature, which I really love. I think it's an old bar pump, bar tap something or other. But you don't turn it on here, it's just a little switch, which John has actually written tap there in case you didn't notice it was there. This sink, I love this feature, is an old jam making bowl from like the 20s or 30s. So yeah, this is the kitchen area. Within the kitchen we have actually got an oven, so we have got the mod cons hidden behind all the prettiness, so to speak. And we've also got a three-way fridge, which is quite a really good size with all our stuff in it. Again, when you're camping away for a week or so, it's a really handy thing to have, and it's on gas or electricity, which is brilliant. The lights, these are old pickle jars that we got from Lidl's, funny enough, but they look really effective, and they're just like a little button here and you switch it on in the evening. It's really beautiful, it makes it really ambient in here, it's lush. We collect lots of little tins and stuff just to make it a bit more quirky, so we've got things from marbles for the kids to play with, our tea and coffee, little recipe books. So if anyone wants to hire it, there's lots of things to read and look at. What we found is the people we have hired to love all the knickknacks to look at, because it's just not, there's so much in it that you take it out for a week, someone said, and they just still kept finding stuff. It was brill. In this little cupboard here is the bathroom within the kitchen, as we call it. So you can put like your toothpaste and stuff, little mirror that comes out here, but also you can put condiments or whatever. Really handy little cupboard. I think the best thing about this van is the storage. It doesn't look like there's a lot of storage, but there's masses of storage. We didn't have to, nothing's out, everything is put away. We've got all cupboards under here and drawers. All these cupboards go right to the back. Loads and loads and loads of storage. There is storage under here, so when we've had like a family of 4 or 5, all their gear went away under here and under here. The heating, everyone loves a wood burner, but I think we're one of the few vans which has also got diesel heating as well. So you close the door of an evening. Another feature there, little chalkboard. So if you like playing games, do a scorecard, that's what we do. If we're playing Snap or something, scoreboard, and we've got chalk available and everything. It's just lovely, you can just play about with it. Lovely table, made out of mahogany. There's 2 of you, perfect. If there's a family of 4 or whatever, it pulls right out here. There is a leg, but also it will pull all the way out to make another double bed. This will pull out, drop down. You've got a double bed here, as well as the fixed double bed there. And then just goes away under the bed, which I think is a really clever feature. USB ports are hidden. You want a close-up of these old pennies. You might have thought it was just decoration. No. See if I can get it off. USB ports. Hidden away. Brilliant, because we all need our phones. Don't be charged. Behind 2 really old pennies, which I think are lovely. One of my favourite features. Fixed double bed. We've had loads of camper vans where we started off with the small VW, where you had to put the bed up and it's just a hassle. And I said to John, can we have a fixed double bed? Absolutely brill. Absolutely brill. It's got memory foam mattress, it's 6'4" across, it doesn't look it, but it's brilliant if you're taller. Sitting here looking out, you'd have your V-nail on there. Fabulous. Which I do. In fact, why haven't I got my V-nail glass on there now? She's just got a really nice feel to her. I think when you sit in her, it's just like really calm, and it's just, we love her, she's fab. Storage all the way back across the bed to put all sorts of stuff. He's also made these drawers which pull out to the full length of the bed. As you can see, we've got tons of stuff in there. Loads of stuff. We've got games to play, if it's wet, camping shower. And these aren't even full, so it just goes to show how much we've got available. Oh, my glow sticks for later. And then in this cupboard is where we store our chairs, and also there's 2 gas bottles. And that is the beauty that's Asha.